Okay, here's question 7 then, to have a go at. So let's have a look at this. Okay, part A. So find this integral then. 3x minus 1 cosine 2x dx. Let's use parts. So let's call this v and this du. So let's use integration by parts, and that's equal to u. The integral of this is sine 2x, a half sine 2x, isn't it? Sine 2x over 2 is u. So it's uv minus the integral of u, half sine 2x, times dv, which is 3. So I'm just going to squeeze it in here, dx. So that equals a half of 3x minus 1 times the sine 2x, that's this term here. And then you've got, what is this integral? Let's put cos 2x down. We'll need a 2 underneath, but we've already got 3 over 2, so we'll need 3/4, because the 2 comes out when you differentiate. And cos goes to minus sine, so we can put a plus here, can't we? Plus k. So that's what we've got then for the integral there. Now this one, use this substitution for part B. So u is equal to 2x plus 1. So du is equal to 2 dx, isn't it? Looking at this, and that tells us that a half du is equal to dx. So if we label this I is equal to the integral x would be u minus 1 over 2. No, just do the algebra here. So u minus 1 equals 2x. So x would equal u minus 1 over 2 would equal x. So we've got x here, so that would be over 2 we can put as a half. And it would be u minus 1 on top over the 2x plus 1, which is u cubed du. Du is 2 dx, or it was dx, but now we want to replace it with du. So it's half du. Okay, let's just check that again then. So we've got x, which x is equal to this, so we put the half there and the u minus 1 there, over 2x plus 1 cubed, that's u cubed, times by dx, and we've replaced the dx by half du. Now when x is 0, we can see that this will be 0 and u will be 1. And when x is 1, put 1 in here, you get u is 3. So that equals, let's take the 2 out as well. Again, we get a quarter. The integral between 1 and 3. And then we can split this fraction up. This first part of the fraction will be 1 over u squared minus 1 over u cubed, isn't it? Du. So this is u to the minus 2. So raise the power by 1, divide by that number. This is u to the minus 3, so raise the power by 1, divide by that number. We've got minus 1 lot of, haven't we? Okay, so that's what we get. This will make that a plus, so I'm just going to run a plus through that. And this will be a minus between 1 and 3. So that equals 1/4. Sort it out tidily. Put this term first, 1 over 2 u squared, isn't it? Drop the u down below with the 2. And this is plus, oh there's a plus here. So we could have written that one first, 1 over u. Okay, and that would be between 1 and 3, which equals 1/4 then. Top value, take bottom value. So top value, put 3 in. 9 times 2 is 18, 1 over 18. Put bottom value, top value in here, 1 over 3. and then put bottom value in, 1 in here, 1 over 2, put 1 in here, plus 1. Okay, so that's equal to then 1/4. A third, 6/18 plus 1 more, 7/18. This one is minus 3 over 2, minus 1.5. In terms of 18ths, 27 over 18, that's 1.5, isn't it? Yep, that's fine, that's minus 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 just times by 9 top and bottom, you get 27 over 18. So it's 1/4 then. 7 minus 27 is minus 20 over 18. 4 goes into 25 times minus 5 over 18 is what we seem to get at the moment. Let's go back. Evaluate that integral. Now, the worry is this integral, these values are positive, is what it looks like to me. So I'm a bit worried about the integral answer, because this is an area, isn't it? And these are all above the axis when x is positive. So that should be a positive answer, and it's not. So why have we made a mistake then? Okay. Oh, here. See u to the minus 1. This is u to the minus 2, so I've got u to the minus 1 over minus 1. So that is a plus. So that is a minus. So we're just double checking now. That's a minus. So that would take this to be a minus then. And the other thing to be a minus. So let's just change that. Make the correction. Okay, good. So this would be 18th, 1/18 minus 6/18 is minus 5/18 here. And this value would be minus a half. So it would make it minus a half plus a half, wouldn't it? Plus, and that would be a half. And a half is 9/18. So we've got 9 minus 5 is 4/18 times a quarter is 1/18. So there's the value then. It's just 1/18. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4/18 over 4 is 1/18. That's the value of the integral. So we noticed it was negative, it shouldn't be, and we spotted our mistake.